coaching starts at $5,000. Is that within your current budget?
Yes, that's fine.
All right. Thank you so much for your time. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Are you actually an AI? You have just seen an inbound AI sales agent, which we will build step by step in this video. And by the end of the video, you will be able to set this up for your business or your client's business using our free plug and play template. Inbound means a new lead or an existing customer contacts your business. For example, they visit your website, click on the Contact Us button and fill out a form. In case of a new lead, the business has to screen incoming requests, do some research about the lead, and then set up a qualification call to find out if you actually want to work with that new lead. If the lead is qualified, you want to turn him into a paying customer. This process is time consuming and expensive. The question is it possible to automate this full process with an AI agent? We will talk about this in this video. My name is Philipp and I'm the co-founder and managing director of a software company based in Germany. We have built software and software as a service solutions for industry clients from around the world. In this channel, you can learn from our experience how to start a business, how to find your first clients, and how to build AI solutions that solve real business problems. If you're interested in these topics, subscribe to the channel to not miss out on this AI opportunity. I will now show you the exact steps of that agent. Then we'll have a full demo and afterwards we will build it together. Let's do it. Here's the flow. It looks complex, but I will break it down for you step by step. So in the beginning, there's a Contact Us button on the website, on your website or your client's website. This Contact Us button triggers a form. You could use Typeform for that, but it's quite expensive. So we used Fillout, which is a free Typeform alternative. The Fillout template will be available to download. This template triggers a N8N workflow. This data is sent to Relevance AI. Relevance AI is a no-code AI agent building tool. We'll have a deep dive into that later. Within Relevance AI, we will scrape more information about the lead on LinkedIn and on the company website of the lead. After that, we will make a personalized qualification call within Relevance AI with WAPI and 11 Labs. Also, the template is available for that. If the lead is qualified, we will send a follow-up message through Gmail with a Calendly link. If the user is not qualified, we will still send an email, but without a Calendly link. I will now show you how you can copy all of these steps and set it up on your side. This will only take us a few minutes. Then we'll test the full demo, and afterwards we will show into the details and I show you how you can adapt it to your business. I will now quickly show you how to get all of the free resources, and after that we'll copy it together. So below the video you will find a link. This link will lead you to our school About page. Here you can just join the group. It's completely for free, and after you have joined you will be redirected to the video within school, and then below the video you find all the resources that we will need. The fill out form, the N8N workflow, and also the Relevance AI. Let's just do all the steps together. You get the fill out form from here. Click on use template. If you don't have a fill out account, just do it. It's completely for free. So you can change everything according to your needs. And then you have to head over to integrate, and under integrate, look for webhook. In here, we have to copy the link to our N8N workflow automation. So I come back to the school community, I click on that link, which will download the N8N workflow. Then I head over to N8N, I sign into it. If you do not have an account yet, you can also create a free account here. It's a very powerful tool. And then you just create a new one, a new workflow. And then with the three dots up here, you can import the automation from a file. I quickly do that. Then you have it in here. After that, you take the URL, you come here, you go to production URL, you copy this URL, and this one you can then paste into the webhook URL. Under advanced view, you give all the information we need to send in the body. I copied that here for you, so you just copy them over and connect them to the real. So the health goal, primary goals, first name, company URL, email, phone number, and finally last name, and then just finish the setup, and then you are all done. Click on publish and then copy this one, and we will try it in a second. This is the form you have just created. And now last but not least, we need our Relevance AI template. So also open that one. It's copied into my project. And now within N8N. So that's all set up. I have to connect my N8N to the Relevance AI workflow. So what do we need in here? We need the URL and we need the authorization value. I get both of this in my Relevance AI. Just head over, click on Edit Agent, then scroll down, and under Triggers, you find the API trigger. You copy the endpoint from here, just copy it, head over to N8N, put it in here, and then also get the value from over here. So you generate the API key, you copy it, and then you paste it in here. You have just copied the full inbound AI sales agent, and it just took a few minutes. Let's see this AI agent in action. Let's open the fill-out form that we have just created. And for the sake of this video, we made it for a fitness coach, but you just change it to whatever business you have. So I click on apply. What are your primary health goals? For example, muscle and strength. Then what did you do in the past? Online coaching. And as I said, you change everything to your needs. Then first name, I just do something up. My name is Tony Robbins. I just put in my company website, then my email. And then I give it my phone number. I'm located in Germany, so I quickly select Germany over here and I send it. So over here, I can now see how the agent works in the background. It came in, then we have our LinkedIn Lead Insight Finder. It finds the profile, then based on the profile, it gets more data from the company. And then based on all of this information, it makes a summary and then it gives me a call, so it's calling in. I pick up.
Hi, Tony. I'm Ava, Philippe's assistant. We saw your request for fitness coaching. Do you have time for a quick 3-minute chat?
Yes, that's fine.
Being the chairman of Robbins Research International and a life strategist must keep you on your toes. You're aiming to build muscle and strength. What challenges have you faced in making this happen?
It's just very hard to work on that consistently.
Thank you for sharing that, Tony. Is there anything else you'd like to improve or focus on in your health and fitness journey?
I guess it just need a very good coach to keep me, going.
Great. Philip also asked me to mention that coaching starts at $5,000. Is that within your current budget?
Sure, I'm Tony Robbins.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, Tony. I will talk to Philip about our chat and he will reach out to you. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Nice. Then have a great day, Tony.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye. So we had this personalized phone call because it collected all the data from LinkedIn and our website. I just received an email with a Calendly link. All right, it worked. You have copied and tested the system, and now I will take you into the details of Relevance AI. These details are very important because you will really understand how it works and you will be able to adapt it to your business or your client's business needs. That's the website, relevanceai.com. You can create an account here. They also have a free tier, which will be enough for this one, or take the pro version for $19 per month. That's the one that I'm using. So how is this set up? We have an agent profile. So inside of Relevance AI, we will prompt everything. There's no coding required. We do everything by text and by prompting. So prompting is very important. And while I explain Relevance AI, I will also give you the strategies on how to prompt that in the best way. All right, so this AI agent has a name and a description. This becomes very relevant once you have sub-agent, that the main agent knows which sub-agent to select for which task. In this case, it's not that relevant because we don't have sub-agents. We only have the main agent. For the main agent, we have core instruction. And as I said, there's no coding required. We do everything by prompting. That's why we start with a role. You're a world-class inbound lead agent and so forth. I don't read everything because you have the template anyway. We define the objective of that agent, the context, and then very exactly the steps of what the agent has to do. First step is find the LinkedIn profile and research using our Lead Insight Finder tool. Research the company using the company deep dive tool. Call and qualify the lead with the commitment and qualification call tool. And then in the end, send an email with our Gmail follow-up tool. So after the subs, we again talk about the tools that we just mentioned here. Now let's have a look into the different tools. So first we have the Lead Insight Finder that opens the tool itself. You can test that tool on its own. You give it the company URL and the full name of the prospect, and then it will find it at LinkedIn. And now let's have a look how it's built. And this tool, basically, you don't have to change it. You can just use it as it is for your business. And how does it work? It gets the inputs, the company URL and the full name from the agent, and then we save this on variables. Then we make a Google search. We just give it the name, the company and LinkedIn, and then the result of Google. And then we store this result on the variable and give it to a large language model. And now we prompt this large language model and explain what it should do with the information. So again, we have a role. You're an experienced LinkedIn URL finder. Your objective is to identify and extract the correct LinkedIn URL. So it will get the full content from Google. And now from the search results, it will find the correct LinkedIn URL. Then we go really detail into it, how it should do it, and then it will find everything out. Then I also give it an example and show how the input looks like, and the output should be something like that. Again, this one is stored under a variable. Then we have the LinkedIn URL. We search it, we give the information back. This information is again given to a large language model. And the role of this large language model is you're an expert lead profile creator, objective, create a 100-word lead profile, and so forth. I don't read everything to you. You can read it yourself. And all of this doesn't have to be changed for your business. And in the end, the tool outputs our lead summary, our company LinkedIn URL, and the lead LinkedIn URL. Let's have a look at the second tool. The second tool is a company deep dive. We can also have a look at the details here. We get inputs from the agent, the URL, and the company URL. Then we get the company profile from LinkedIn. We scrape it and then we give the information back to large language model. And again, we make a summary based on the company profile and the website. If we don't define the output, then it gives us back all the variables from the different steps. And if we don't define the output, then it will just return the variable of the last step, which is the company summary. And that's enough. So we do these two steps to make a very personalized phone call. So we get some information about the person and about the company to make a very personalized phone call. Let's come to the third one. That's the qualification call. I think that's the most interesting step. Let's have a look at the build. The inputs are the name, the lead summary, the company summary, the health and fitness needs, and the phone number. Then with the first large language model, we define the role, the objective, and the objective of this one is craft a personalized and engaging line for a voice agent script, a natural and meaningful conversation about the health and fitness goals. So actually this one, you would have to adapt that to your business. If you're an AI agency, you would say you want to talk about your automation needs, or if you are whatever business you are, just change. You have to come in here and change that, or you change it for your client. All right. And then we give it a script, and whatever is between these symbols should be word by word. So it's hi, and we put in the name. I'm Ava, Philipp's assistant. We saw your request for health and fitness coaching. Again, this one you would have to adapt. And Philipp asked me to reach out for some questions. Then we wait for the response. Great, I'm the hiring manager. All right. And then down here we come to the sales script, which you would have to adapt again. And we hand over the information about the lead. And in the end, this will return a nice personalized line that the AI uses during the call. Then it actually makes the phone call using the WAPI API, calls it. And then during the call, we have this personalized line, and it gets very specific. We define the objective of the call, the specifics, also the tone. That's all very important. And then we give it a sales script. And in here, we also paste a personalized line, which makes the call very personalized. And I think that's very important. A human salesperson would also do that. He or she will do a research about the lead. They will collect the information and then use that in the sales call. And the AI is doing exactly the same here. All right. And then it will return the call details, and another large language model will now transcript this and creates an output for us. It will tell us if the call was successful, what are the fitness needs, and if the lead is actually qualified. And we will return all of these things to the agent. All right, that was the most important step. And then the last one, we have an email follow-up. We have the inputs, qualification status, the call status, the health needs, the name, and the email. And then based on qualification status and call status, we will send out an email and a Calendly link. And then we send another email if the qualification status is not qualified or the call status was not successful, we will send out a different email. Here you would need to update that to your specific business. So basically, you just have to change it in two places. You have to change the scripts of the call and also the follow-up through email. And other than that, you can leave everything else the same. Congratulations! You have now access to an inbound AI sales agent. You are able to use it and you know how it works under the hood. Therefore, you can adapt it to your customers' needs. If you have not downloaded the material yet, check the link below the video, which will lead you to our free community. Log in and get all the templates for free. And if you have learned something from this video, subscribe to the channel to not miss out on this great AI opportunity. See you soon.